Hello, welcome to Counting to 10 with Animals. My name is Professor Paws. I am so happy to meet you. I will be your teacher today. Are you ready to learn numbers? Yes? Perfect! The first number is, of course, 1. So here we have 1 elephant. Next we have the number 2. 2 cute dogs. Then comes number 3. 3 little kittens. Aren't they adorable? And here comes number 4. 4 horses. I wish I could ride them. Next up is number 5. Oh no! 5 dangerous snakes. Let's quickly change to number 6.
6 mosquitoes buzzing. They kept me awake all night.
And now, lucky number 7. 7 mice. I'd better hide the cheese. Number 8 is next. 8 silly monkeys jumping on the bed. Here's number 9. 9 dolphins swimming in the sea. And last but not least, number 10. 10 red ants marching in formation. Now you know how to count to 10. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? Let's see if you remember. Let's count together. Are you ready? Great!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Well done! You made this old professor proud. It seems our class has come to an end. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Oops, I almost forgot. If you enjoyed the lesson, could you click on like and subscribe? Thank you so much.